Data is the raw material for artificial intelligence. Intelligent data is the digital capital. It is a vital national resource. AI driven development, which is bottom up and inclusive. It is important to understand the epoch changing importance of AI. The advent of modern artificial intelligence is comparable only to the birth of intelligent life on our planet. The AI and associated technologies of the fourth industrial revolution will vastly expand our capacity to solve the most complex and pressing problems before India and the world. Specifically, AI will enable India to move faster towards achieving ambitious goals set by our Prime Minister. Prime Minister, Indian industry is ready. Indian youth are ready. Indeed, the entire nation is ready to implement an agenda that will promote artificial intelligence for a strong, sustainable, and equitable new India.
Distinguished guests from India and abroad, welcome to Raise Responsible AI for Social Empowerment Summit. This is a great effort to encourage discussion on artificial intelligence. Friends, artificial intelligence is a tribute to human intellectual power. The power to think enabled humans to make tools and technologies. Today, these tools and technologies have also acquired the power to learn and think in knowledge and learning. We have experienced that technology improves transparency and service delivery. This has enabled providing access to digital services, including financial services like direct cash transfer to the poor and marginalized. Friends, now we want India to become a global hub for AI. Many Indians are already working on this area. I hope many more do so in the times to come. It focuses on technology-based learning and skilling as a major part of education. Friends, I would also like to mention about the National Program on Artificial Intelligence. This will be dedicated towards rightful use of AI for solving problems of society. It will be implemented with the support of all stakeholders. RAISE can be a platform to brainstorm in this regard. I invite all of you to actively participate in these efforts. Friends, there are a few challenges that I would like to pose to this august audience. Can we use artificial intelligence for the optimal management of our assets and resources? Can we dynamically reallocate them to find optimal use? Can we delight our citizens with proactive and prompt delivery of services at their doorsteps? It remains our collective responsibility to ensure trust in how AI is used. We should think about how AI can help humans to increase their own capabilities. I want to state again, AI will unlock the unique potential of each person. It will empower them to contribute more effectively to society. I'm sure that the discussions over the next 4 days will help create an action roadmap for responsible AI, a roadmap that can truly help transform lives and livelihoods across the world. My best wishes to you all.